So hey, welcome. We are fishing Lunkers Bass Club today. This is the second tournament of the year. We started our year in November, and this is December 17th. We're on the Apalachicola chain. This is the St. Mark's River, and I've got 9.5 hours to fish and see if we can't come in with a good limit. So it's been kind of slow this morning. A friend of mine just passed me. He said he had 4 already out of one little ditch. So I'm not quite sure what he means by ditch, but we're going to find out. Okay, finally got our first little bass. It's been a slow morning for me, but let's just hope he keeps. He's a squeaker, I can tell right now, but when he slammed it. So they want it, and this guy was real shallow. We get the measuring board out. Okay, well, he is 12.5, so he keeps. We don't have a skunk. We got points today. That's the first step of things that matter, is to get points. And we go tag them and bag them and continue on. And we need stuff a little bigger, but hey, something's better than nothing right now. This one might be a squeaker. We shall see. Yep, 11 3/4, no good. So a little bigger. So anyways, this is the first time I fished down this end of the Apalachicola and the St. Martin River and all this. We're virtually on the bay. I was told there's a ton of fish to be caught. Most of them are small, and the deciding factor is if somebody catches a 3 or 4 pounder. And don't get me wrong, there's some big fish down here. There's some 6-8 pounders. Don't know how far and few they are in between. I'm sure there's some guys who catch them all the time, but we're gonna have to play this one out. I don't know if he's going to keep. We'll see. He inhaled it. I think it's going to be short, but I'm hoping for a squeaker. Okay, so it's a squeaker, 12 1/8, but he's in the live well. Well, that guy didn't know it hit him. So this one, there was no thump, nothing. He just picked it up and ran. And I am not even going to measure him because he's a short, but yeah, I set the hook, he went flying. I need something about 6 inches bigger, just to keep. Okay, let's hope this guy's a keeper. He's iffy. We'll see. I don't think he's going to keep personally, but at this point you have to measure everything. Nope, no good. 11.5. Oh, you better be a keeper. I don't think it's a keeper. So it's been a little while since we got a fish, not on your side, but on my side, and that ain't gonna keep. But I'm gonna measure him anyways, because I know he's only about 8 inches. Okay, so he's 11. Doesn't look it, but he's 11. And still in short. Over he goes. Oh, look at this. This sunfish. This is kind of funny. So this sunfish is bigger than a lot of the bass I'm catching. I think it's a warmouth. I'm not sure, but anyways, yeah, so bigger than the bass I'm catching, or same size. Yep, it's gonna be one of those days. It's all right, we're fishing. Another small one. No shortage of fish, just no size, and I mean no size. I don't know, that's got to be 9 or 10 fish, and I've only got 2 keepers, and they're not big keepers. That's a keeper. Maybe. I'm thinking maybe. But that's what just stole my Cinco a minute ago. Oh, sorry about the spot on the lens there. Let me get the pliers, get him out. So this is the little guy who probably stole my Cinco a minute ago. I am hoping he's 12. He's a little fat guy. I don't think he's gonna go, but I'm praying. Yeah, they're getting smaller. They're not supposed to get smaller, they're supposed to get bigger. What can you do? The big ones are around. I don't know. I am dying. When I go to weigh in, I am very curious on how everybody else did for size. I'm sure somebody got some big fish. These guys that I fish with, they've you know, they've been fishing these river systems for years. This is my second full year of fishing the river system, or the beginning of my second year. I'm still learning the titles and all that. You know, not that that's an excuse, but I just need to find the big ones. Oh. Kidding me. Couldn't be a nice bass. No, it's got to be a mudfish. So this is what I just thought was a nice bass, but mudfish. Now, don't get me wrong, they do fight nice, but they're a junk fish. You can't eat them, and they tear up your line and your hooks, and they tear up everything. So hey, that is it. I've got to head in. Only got 2 fish. I think I caught like 14 fish today and a mudfish. You know, we caught plenty of fish, just small. I could not get a keeper, so I am going to post the scores. I am putting a video out whether I get skunked, 1 fish, 2 fish, last place, first place. So it's all part of tournament life, and you know, you can check it out and see if you like it. If you like it, hey, join a local club. We're looking for members. Every club is looking for members right now. So hey, thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for the scores, and until next time, tight lines.